Alors bonjour à toutes et à tous. J'espère que tout va bien avec tout le monde. Ça fait longtemps depuis que la dernière fois que nous avons rejoint. Mais en ce moment-là, nous sommes ici, nous sommes tous ici et on va apprendre des choses qui sont un peu profonds, c'est-à-dire que deep subjects. Nous allons parler des sujets qui sont un peu pas à l'aise avec tout le monde dans le monde. Ce sont les controverses dans la société. So we're going to be talking about controversies in society, and as you can see from the above topics, if you can just kind of take a gander at the topics, you can see that they're a little sensitive. Ils sont sensitifs. On va parler d'être juste. To be right. What does that mean? To be right. Avoir le droit. To have the right. To have the right to what? And who gives you that right? And what makes you think you deserve that right? Le virus de 2020, l'épidémique, of course, the number one talk of the century for right now. This worldwide epidemic, the COVID-19. On va parler de ça. We're also going to be talking about les stereotypes. Okay, so this chapter covers a lot of sensitive topics, and they all revolve around society. And que sont nos pensées? What are our thoughts? What are our ideas? Que sont nos opinions? What do we think, right? So the first half of this chapter is going to be heavily related on those topics of interest. So there's going to be a lot of reading. Some of it's going to be heavy reading, but what I mean by heavy reading is we might be reading 2 to 3 pages of dialogue to where we come back and we talk about topics. We're not going to address grammar until our second to third week of teaching. That's how dense this is, and I think that it takes a lot of time to discuss sensitive matters like this, and so I don't want us to, rush through it. I want everybody to have a voice. I want everybody to be able to, share what they think, how they feel. Concernant tout ça, we are also going to be covering the topic of education. And what it looks like in West Africa, and we're going to be doing some comparing West African education to American education. And what I thought was really, really on point, and I was like, wow, this chapter could not get any better, was what would your education look like if it went in the mode of technology? And this is where we are. Nous sommes là. Moi, je suis même pas dans ma classe, et toi non plus. Right? I'm not in my classroom, and neither are you. J'enseigne dans mon salle à manger. Toi, tu es dans ta chambre ou dans ton salon, ou je sais pas, t'es sur ton sofa, je sais pas, tu regardes la télé, tu es dans la cuisine, peut-être tu es dehors. T'as mis tes écouteurs, tu me regardes par cell phone, tu me regardes par ordinateur, tu me regardes par je sais pas, un iPad, il se peut, je sais pas. Et on a des différentes manières dans lesquelles tu apprends ce que j'enseigne. So there are so many ways that so many facets that you could be accessing this lesson right now. And so, like I said, all of these topics for this chapter are really prevalent, and I think it's going to be a really, really exciting chapter for all of us. Je pense que ça va être très dynamique pour nous tous, parce que je pense que tout le monde a quelque chose à dire. I think everybody has something to say. So, what will that look like? Miss Lewis, are we going to have quizzes? Oui, on va avoir des quiz. Mais on va écrire beaucoup. So we're going to be doing some reading. We're going to be doing some reading. We're going to have maybe one quiz that's going to be focused on verbs, but these verbs are simply verbs that we have reviewed in the past for French 1 and French 2. But the main focus is going to be on the reading and the writing. We're going to be learning about 2 prevalent people in our society. One who brings to thought the idea of globalization. Well, what is anti-globalization and what does that look like? And then we're going to be bringing in another person who is fighting for the rights of women, the women in society, in the African, the Western African community and the French community, and what does that look like? And we're going to be comparing, the rights of women here versus Western Africa, and what does that mean? What does that mean in the marketplace? What does that mean in our economic society? And so that's the other half of the chapter that we're going to be going through. C'est l'autre tiers qu'on va on va faire un grand regard. C'est-à-dire qu'on va aller avec un microscope et on va regarder beaucoup. On va regarder prochement, on va regarder à toutes ces idées. Et c'est pour quelle raison que j'ai pas vraiment mis un plan ici. That's why I really don't have a plan directly written out here, because a lot of this is going to be coming from things that we read. So I don't want to put, and I cannot put pages and pages of text here. But the questions that we are going to be reading, that we are going to be responding to, which are associated with the text that we are reading, of course, can be found in our book. C'est-à-dire que les questions qui sont évoquées par le texte, on va les répondre en discussion, on va les répondre en écrivant, c'est-à-dire que tu vas mettre tes réponses en d'accord, c'est-à-dire que tu vas aller en ligne. Tu vas aller à www.pgcps, clever.pgcps.org. Non. Qu'est-ce que c'est? Non. Clever.pgcps.org. Et puis, tu vas aller rechercher notre livre, c'est-à-dire la VHL Vista Higher Learning. Et après ça, tu vas aller aux pages qui sont correspondants à les jours que nous sommes là. On va aller visiter en Zoom, on va discuter beaucoup, autant de français que possible, parce que je veux que tu penses à tes idées, je veux que tu transmettes vos pensées autant de français que possible. Je sais que ça va être dur pour certains, mais ça va y aller. We are going to be, transmitting our ideas. We're going to be sharing our ideas, with one another in Zoom. I know this is going to be difficult, not just only because it's a difficult topic, but just because the vocabulary and just the oral expression that comes with it. But I think that we'll be okay. We're going to be fine with this. And like I said before, this is a very courageous chapter. I think it's also going to be very courageous of you all to, be able to express yourselves verbally, what you think, what you feel, how passionate you are about, different, amongst the subjects that we're going to be covering. Like I said, nous allons discuter le fait d'être juste, the fact of being right, avoir le droit, having the right. Les stereotypes. We're going to be talking about experiences. We're going to be sharing experiences. Vous allez partager vos propres expériences, ce que vous avez vu personnellement ou entendu par tes amis ou ta famille. Experiences that maybe, you saw or you heard, or that your friends have expressed to you, or maybe your family has expressed. Et vos pensées, your thoughts, your ideas, and all of these things. So, very deep discussions. Les discussions qui sont très profondes, mais je suis vraiment excitée de combattre cet chapitre, to go into this chapter, pour le découvrir, pour regarder, pour examiner cet chapitre avec vos pensées, vos idées, vos idéals, your ideals, your ideas, your thoughts. And so, à vendredi, okay? So I will see you Friday, and we're going to jump straight into this. But I want to just give you something to think about before we even go into that. So when we dive into Friday, the breakout room, I want you to think about, what are some possible controversies in society that you see that you're now facing, even, as a student, maybe in your neighborhood, just in the local area, and nationally, globally? What are some of the controversies that we are facing in society? And we are going to talk about those. Nous allons discuter les controverses qui existent dans la société, ceux qui sont locaux, ceux qui sont régionaux, ceux qui sont nationaux et mondiaux. Ok, je te parlerai bien vendredi et je vous souhaite une bonne journée et à tout à l'heure. Au revoir.